Meet my favorite apple, the Cosmic Crisp. When I bake during the holidays, I aim for pure magic. I create treats that shine with fresh, bright flavor and bring all the warmth of a snuggly fireplace. Cosmic Crisp donuts are all those things and more. And just like Santa, I have a little trick up my sleeve to make things just a little more merry and bright. These are cake donuts, so they bake up lickety-split. You don't have to wait for yeast to rise twice. All you have to do is cream together the sugars and the butter. Then you add your eggs one at a time. Add the magic ingredients. Cosmic Crisps are such a gorgeous party apple on a cheese plate. Perfection, because they're slow to oxidize, so the flesh stays that bright white, but that gorgeous red skin just pops. And they're also the perfect baking apple because they maintain all that juiciness, all that crispness, and they have that perfect balance between tartness and sweetness. I mean, you just can't get any better. Pipe the batter into a well-sprayed donut mold. And don't forget that trick up my sleeve. Give them some glaze, some shiny sparkle, let them set, and hang them on the tree where all your little elves can reach them.